For tea enthusiasts and coffee aficionados alike, the quest for the perfect cup begins with the perfect tool, the electric tea kettle. But with a multitude of options on the market, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. Fear not, fellow sippers, this deep dive explores the top 5 electric tea kettles of 2024, providing a comprehensive analysis to guide you toward your ideal cup. Number 1. Cuisinart Perfect Temp Electric Kettle CPK17. This Cuisinart kettle strikes a beautiful balance between functionality and affordability. Cuisinart's claim to fame: precise temperature control. With 6 preset settings for various tea types, white, green, oolong, etc., and the option to customize in 5-degree increments, you can achieve the ideal water temperature for optimal flavor extraction. My experience: the Cuisinart heats water quickly and quietly, and the easy-to-read display makes temperature selection a breeze. The large 1.7-liter capacity is perfect for multiple cups or steeping a large pot for guests. While the design is basic, it's a solid choice for those prioritizing performance over aesthetics. Number 2. Capresso H2O Glass Select Kettle. If you appreciate a touch of elegance alongside your cuppa, the Capresso H2O Glass Select is a stunning option. The clear glass body allows you to witness the water heating, adding a mesmerizing visual element to the tea-making ritual. But beauty isn't just skin deep. This kettle boasts variable temperature control and a keep warm function, ensuring your water stays at the perfect temperature for extended periods. My experience: the Capresso is undeniably beautiful and heats water efficiently. The blue LED light illuminates the water as it heats, creating a calming ambiance. However, the capacity is slightly smaller than the Cuisinart at 1.5 liters, and the design might not suit all kitchens. Number 3. OXO Brew Gooseneck Electric Kettle. For coffee aficionados and tea purists who value precision pouring, the OXO Brew Gooseneck Kettle stands out. The slender gooseneck spout allows for controlled pours, essential for even saturation of coffee grounds or delicate tea leaves. OXO doesn't disappoint on features either. This kettle offers variable temperature control and a hold function that maintains the desired temperature for up to 30 minutes. My experience: the OXO kettle heats water quickly, and the gooseneck spout provides exceptional pouring control. The temperature control is precise, making it ideal for brewing methods like pour-over coffee. On the downside, the capacity is a modest 1 liter, and the design might be less intuitive for those unfamiliar with gooseneck kettles. Number 4. Zojirushi Hybrid Water Boiler and Warmer. For those who crave a constant supply of hot water, the Zojirushi Hybrid Water Boiler and Warmer is a game-changer. This multifunctional wonder not only boils water, but also keeps it warm for extended periods, eliminating the need for reheating. Zojirushi packs in the features: variable temperature control, a child lock for safety, and even a handy night light. My experience: the Zojirushi is perfect for tea lovers who enjoy multiple cups throughout the day. The ability to maintain different water temperatures is a big plus. However, the large size might not be ideal for smaller kitchens, and the price tag is on the steeper side. Number 5. Sake Barista Electric Gooseneck Kettle. Minimalists and design enthusiasts, meet the Sake Barista Electric Gooseneck Kettle. This sleek and stylish kettle boasts a temperature display integrated right into the base, offering a clean and modern aesthetic. But the beauty goes beyond skin deep. The gooseneck spout allows for precise pouring, and the variable temperature control caters to various brewing needs. My experience: the sake kettle is a joy to behold. With a sleek design and high-quality materials, the gooseneck spout offers excellent control, and the temperature display is a nice touch. However, the capacity is a limited of 0.8 liters, and the price might be a deterrent for some.